I spent 2 years making this one mistake that kills small YouTube channels. And I didn't even know I was doing it. The worst part, YouTube will never tell you. You just stop growing. Here is what it is and how to fix it. The mistake is posting for yourself and not posting for a specific viewer. Let me explain. When I first started, I thought YouTube was a diary. One day, I cared about politics, so I made a political video. Next week, I was into forex trading, so I made a video for forex trading. Then trending news, Facebook tips. The list goes on and on. Not knowing that I was serving my own interests, not serving a single audience interest. I was just posting for myself. Whatever I feel that I love, I'll post it. If I see something that I'm good at, I'll make video about it and post in the same channel. And guess what? The algorithm has no idea of whom to recommend my videos to. Every content that I make got stopped, no matter how good they look. One person who likes politics probably doesn't like anything about forex trading. My video got sometimes 5, 10, 20 views. After all the effort, I was totally invisible. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'll walk you through my YouTube studio and show you exactly what I mean. Alright, here is my channel today. 30 subscribers plus, 5 watch hours. But look at what I used to post. You see politics, election, forex, then news, all different audience. You can see all these Facebook videos I kept. They got up to 70 views. You see why I kept them? Because at least they were related to social media growth. Still not perfect, but better. And now I'm focused on strictly YouTube tips. One specific audience, small creators who feel stuck. That is whom I'm talking to right now. This is how to fix it. How to choose your new viewers. You have to be intentional in whatever you're doing. You don't need to chase the cloud. Be specific on your own niche. So this is how to fix it today. Ask yourself this question. 1. Who is the person I want to help with my content? Be specific. Not YouTubers, but YouTubers that are under 500 subscribers that are now frustrated. 2. What problem do they wake up with every day? For me, it's posting consistently every day, but no results. Nothing is happening. 3. Can I make 20 videos answering this specific question? If yes, then you have found a niche. I couldn't make 20 videos about forex trading, but I could make 20 videos about reviving a dead channel. That is how I knew I have finally found my lane. This is what happens when you stay focused. I haven't grown big yet. I'm still at 30 subscribers. But here is what I've noticed. In this last week, since I've been committed to YouTube tips, My watch hour went from 0.6 to 5 watch hour. That's an 8 times increase. My last video got more comments, more than my old videos in 2 years. And YouTube is starting to suggest my content. Not much, but I see impression from browser features going up. This is what happens when you stop confusing the algorithm. It slows at first, but it works. Here is what I want you to do right now. Pause this video right now and answer these 3 questions. I'm talking to a committed YouTuber who has been stopped, and you are looking for how to grow. Pause this video and answer these 3 questions. 1. What is that one niche that you keep jumping away from? 2. Who is this specific viewer that you want to help with your content? 3. What is that one problem that they have? I will personally reply to every single comment because I know how lonely it is to be stopped at a low view. And having someone respond actually makes a huge difference. Alright, if this video helped you see your own mistake, subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. I'm documenting everything about reviving a dead channel. The wins, the fails, the real data. Honestly, you don't have to stay stopped. Next video, I'm starting my official 30 days revival experiment. I will set a goal, show you my starting numbers, and then track everything. You won't want to miss it, would you? My name is Simple. Let's grow together. See you in the next video. Thank you.